What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to convert MP3 to AAC. It's free, it's fast, let's do it. Just Google MP3 to AC MiConvert.com and you'll find the converter right at the top. Click on it. All right, we're on the MP3 to AAC converter now. Love how clean this looks. No ads, no nonsense. Let's upload our file. Click Choose File here. Browse to where your MP3 file is. Click on it and hit Open. That's all you need to do. There it is. File's loaded and looking good. Now, just smash that Convert Now button and let the magic happen. Look at it go. The converter is doing its thing. This is seriously fast. Just watch that progress bar fly. And we're done. That was quick, right? Click Download, and your shiny new AAC file is all yours. Wasn't that easy? Check out MiConvert.com for tons of other converters. Smash that subscribe button. Peace out.